Hello, this is Ada Wolf coming from the Wolfschanze. This is Operation Vengeance. Turns 1.2 and 1.3, the Comintern. So before we get started, let me take a little tour of my virtual board here. You can see all the nations are on these little national flags, and that's all been customized. Down here on the end, we've got the victory chart, the technology chart, income tracking over here. And then on this side of the board, we've got Japan, my nation's the Comintern, another battle. This is a battle area where we can do all sorts of nice battles and stuff. We got terrain. We zoom in a little closer. We got terrain here. So we always know, for example, if there's a city fight, everything gets +1, and then we can have some bonuses on here or minuses, or if it's surrounded and so forth. And this represents river crossings, all sorts of various terrains in the game, first strikes. And then we move over to the fascist side here. We've got Germany, Italy, and the fascist Spain and Vichy. And their bonuses are all underneath their chart here, easier to track. And then inside the board here, we've got different looking factories if you haven't seen these before, but these can change from different sizes. So for example, this was a medium factory before, and then he upgraded it, Germany upgraded it to a major, now it's a major. And you can do that with all the factories. So okay, fortifications are depicted by these dragon's teeth or tank traps or various other pieces of what we have, barbed wire and things. That's typical fortifications. Coastal artillery is here. And if you wonder why the map seems big, it is big. It's twice the size of a normal V4 tabletop map. And I was able to get a copy of one of these, and I really like it. I don't have to use as many fleet markers or on land or at sea to track a bunch of big armies. We can just throw them all on the board here. So okay, so let's start with the CCP. CCP has 2 to spend, and they don't have any production, no combat, non-combat. We'll right to the place units phase here, where they start their recruitment rolls. So they're going to base their influence rolls and recruitment rolls. So we're going to spend 1, and we're going to try to influence this warlord right here. So this represents a recruitment roll, and this is my influence roll. And so we spent 1, we have 1, so I have to roll a 2 or less there. So here we go for this Chinese nation there. And we get it. Wow. Okay. Good roll there. So let me go ahead and get my territory. So basically the militia goes to me. And these 3 infantry go those all go CCP. And I saw something that wasn't set up right. See, that's an infantry there. I should have 2 mountains starting with as well. So let's grab these units. So 2 of these should be mountain. So I'm not sure why they're militia. Should have the mountain symbol. There we go. And now I've got 3 infantry here. And a militia there. Let me grab my roundel over here. CCP, China occupation. I think we'll go with this one. Okay, and we'll adjust the income to 3. 1, 2, 3. That's actually the Russia. 1, 2, 3 there to 5 now. And then for recruitment, if we look at the recruitment phase here, it's basically you get to roll is less than or equal to the number of land zones. So my land zones now are 3, and I will make a recruitment on that. 3 or less, and 9, a miss. Okay, so that's that, and then we'll put that back over here, and that back over here. Okay, so that's the CCP. They collect 2, 3, 5 now. They saved 1, so they'll have a total of 6. And that's a pretty good start for the CCP. All right, we'll move over to Russia now. Delete all these. So Russia, we'll start with the first phase. They have technology. We roll technology. Now, why do they have technology? Well, in 4.1, they have a special objective. If they have all their cities, they get they get a free technology roll. So we will come over here to the technology. And Russia will start with improved factories. And basically, sorry for that. I'm going to just drop it. Where'd it go? Let's see. We're going to drop it in here. And we'll see what comes out at 11. So they get improved factories. And basically what this does, I can activate this and then just throw it in there. Sometimes goes in there. Not always, but anyway. Okay, that's the idea anyway. Or I can just delete it. Okay, so that's the approved factories. We'll go from there. All right, purchases. They basically will upgrade a militia in Abyssinia and put a Republican militia down in Spain. All right, so now we'll move to non-combat. They have no combat. Actually, Spain is doing combat. They're going to go to Eastern Andalusia with a infantry, a fighter, and a medium bomber here. Okay, let's get some dice here. So we've got all right, so we've got an infantry, medium bomber, fighter, and my infantry. There we go. And here we go. And the medium bomber hits with a 3, and he misses with a 7. Okay, so we'll take that away from Spain. Nationalists and the Republicans get it. Fighters will fly back to here. Bomber back to here. Increase the territories to 6. Nationalist infantry is dead. These are all gone. Okay, that's gone. Okay, so we'll do a recruitment roll now. We have a 6 or less. And we get a 1. So that is the recruitment we'll get. We'll pick up. Good question. What will we pick up here? Let's see. I think I will go with. I think I'll go with another infantry, maybe. Or maybe 2 militia. I think I'll go with 2 militia. So we'll take. I think we'll go with another militia there. This guy will go in port. And we'll move these guys around to here. And I think that is it. Okay, so based on that, the Republicans are done. I will place the militia that I bought for them. Now I've got 3 militia. That's a purchase one. That's my recruitment rolls. That's the guys that move back. And we're held out in Spain now, in Catalonia. So, okay. So far, so good. All right. So Russia has no combat moves. They have a lot of non-coms. So we're basically going to move him to here. As I do this, I'm just going to erase lines because it means that I've moved them. It makes it a little easier tracking all these movements. And we're going to go him here, so that's 2 there. He goes there, he goes there, he goes into Russia. He goes over there. Horse goes 1, 2. He goes over there. These both go into there. He goes 1, 2. He moves down. He moves here. He goes 1, 2. Yeah, he's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. He moves to here, and these 2 move down to here. And then we will rail the plane all the way over to here. Horse goes 1, 2. The infantry rails over to here as well. He moves into here. He moves back. Militia moves here, and the motorized move here. And that is all should be all the non-coms on land. Got 2 at sea, 1, 2. They go over here. And I think that is it. Baltic Fleet stays. Black Sea Fleet stays. Seaplane goes 1, 2 to Moscow. And I think that is it. Okay, so I think the Soviet Union is done. I will now go to the place units phase. So we've got 2 naval units to start with. We'll put these in the Baltic Sea here. The Baltic Sea Fleet is sitting out there. And then we've got a upgrade down to Abyssinia. So we'll just go from a home country port. We'll come down through here into the French Somaliland and use the rail and upgrade one of these to an infantry. And let me find an infantry here. Neutral infantry, so I'm going to clone him. And there's the Abyssinian force now. Okay, so that is it for the Comintern. Let me just check my income here. Income is only at 4, so I collect another 4, and that stays the same, and that's all good. Oh, the Chinese are making more than the Russians are. Hopefully that will change. Okay, I believe that is it for my turn. So leave any comments there on YouTube or any questions you have about the board, and we'll see y'all next time. All right, take care, guys.